In this session, we are going to discuss the important questions from the chapter Biomolecules. First question, which one of the following gives positive Fehling solution test? Fehling solution is made by mixing Fehling solution A and Fehling solution B. Fehling solution A is copper sulfate, whereas Fehling solution B is potassium sodium tartrate. When aldehydes and ketones react with Fehling solution, a blue precipitate is formed. The functional group present in glucose is aldehyde, so it gives a positive Fehling solution test. So the correct answer is option 2, glucose. Next question, which of the following is the sweetest sugar? Options are sucrose, glucose, fructose and maltose. The correct answer is option 3, fructose. Fructose is almost 2 times sweeter than sucrose. Next question, alpha D plus glucose and beta D plus glucose are. Options are anomers, epimers, enantiomers and geometrical isomers. This is the structure of alpha D plus glucose and beta D plus glucose. The only difference is in the configuration at carbon 1. In alpha structure, the OH is pointing downside, whereas in beta structure, the OH is pointing upside. Such compounds that differ at configuration at carbon 1 are called anomers. So the correct answer is option 1, anomers. Next question. The couplings between base units of DNA is through. We know that the bases of DNA are joined by hydrogen bonds. So the correct answer is option A, hydrogen bonding. Next question, the segment of DNA which act as the instrumental manual for synthesis of protein is. The correct answer is option C, gene. Next question, on hydrolysis of starch, we finally get. Starch is made up of glucose. So the hydrolysis of starch results in the formation of many glucose units. So the correct answer is option 1, glucose. Next question, which of the following is correct about hydrogen bonding in nucleotides? The correct sequence is ATCG. So the correct answer is option A. Next question, during the process of digestion, the proteins present in food materials are hydrolyzed to amino acids. The 2 enzymes involved in this process are respectively. The correct answer is option C, pepsin and trypsin. Next question, the helical structure of proteins is established by. The double helical structure of DNA are coupled together by hydrogen bonds. So the correct answer is option B, hydrogen bonds. Next question, the alpha D glucose and beta D glucose differ from each other due to the difference in carbon atom with respect to its. We know that the alpha and beta forms differ in the configuration at a carbon atom. So the correct answer is option B, configuration. Next question, glycolysis is. The correct answer is option A, oxidation of glucose to pyruvate. Next question, which is not the true statement? The incorrect statement is option B, all proteins are found in L form. Majority of proteins are found in L form, but a few are also found in D form. Next question, the number of molecules of ATP produced in the lipid metabolism of a molecule of palmitic acid is. The correct answer is option A, 130. Next question, human body does not produce. Options are DNA, vitamins, hormones and enzymes. The correct answer is option B, vitamins. Next question, which one of the following is an amine hormone? Options are thyroxine, oxypurin, insulin and progesterone. The correct answer is option A, thyroxine. Next question, Chemically considering, digestion is basically options are anabolism, hydrogenation, hydrolysis, and dehydrogenation. The correct answer is option C, hydrolysis. It is the process in which, with the help of water and digestive enzymes, the complex molecules in food are broken down. Next question, an example of biopolymerase. Options are Teflon, neoprene, nylon 66, and DNA. The correct answer is option D, DNA. Next question, which one of the following is a peptide hormone? The correct answer is option A, glucagon. Next question, which of the following is a non-reducing sugar? The correct answer is option 3, sucrose. Next question, the two forms of glucopyranose structures obtained from solution of D-glucose are called? The correct answer is option 2, anomers. Next question, glucose and mannose are? We can see that they differ at the C2 configuration. So the correct answer is option 3, C2 epimers. Epimers are formed when they differ in the configuration at only one asymmetric carbon atom. Next question, sucrose on treatment with concentrated HCl produces? The correct answer is option 3, glucose and fructose. Next question, which type of amino acid is lysine? Options are beta amino acid, acidic, basic, and neutral. The correct answer is option 3, basic. Lysine is a basic amino acid. Amino acids are classified into non-polar, polar, acidic, and basic. The acidic amino acids are aspartic acid and glutamic acid, whereas the basic amino acids are lysine, arginine, and histidine. Next question, the mixture of glucose and water can be separated by? The mixture of glucose and water can be separated by distillation, which involve heating the mixture until the water evaporates, leaving behind the sugar crystals. Next question, the number of chiral carbon atoms in cyclic beta D plus glucose is? Chiral carbon atom means the carbon atom in which all the substituents are different. In this figure, we can see that there are 5 chiral carbon atoms. So the correct answer is option 1, 5. Next question, which of the following is a non-reducing sugar? Options are maltose, glucose, lactose, and sucrose. The correct answer is option 4, sucrose. Reducing sugars are carbohydrates that can act as reducing agents due to the presence of free aldehyde groups or free ketone groups, whereas non-reducing sugars are carbohydrates that cannot act as reducing agents due to the absence of free aldehyde groups or free ketone groups. The examples of reducing sugars are glucose, fructose, lactose, maltose, and galactose, whereas the only non-reducing sugar is sucrose. Next question, glucose on reduction with sodium or mercury and water gives? The correct answer is option 1, sorbitol. Sorbitol is a type of carbohydrate called sugar alcohol. Next question, at isoelectronic point? The correct answer is option D, all the above. At isoelectronic point, concentration of the cation will be equal to concentration of anion. The net charge is 0. Also, the maximum concentration of dipolar ion will be present. Next question, which of the following amino acid has the lowest isoelectric point? The correct answer is option C, aspartic acid. Next question, which amino acid does not contain chiral centers? Options are valine, leucine, glycine, and isoleucine. The correct answer is option C, glycine. For a compound to be optically active, it must contain a carbon atom to which 4 different groups are attached. The amino acid glycine does not contain a chiral carbon, whereas alanine does. Alanine would be therefore optically active, but glycine would not be optically active. Next question, which one of the following compounds will form an nosazone derivative? Osazone derivatives are formed by compounds containing a carbonyl group. So option 1 is the correct answer. Next question, which reagents can be used to distinguish between glucose and fructose? The correct answer is option C, bromine water test and tolerance reagent test. Next question, proteins mainly contain. The correct answer is option A, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Next question, in human body, enzymes hydrolyze proteins into. The correct answer is option D, amino acids like glycine. Next question, which statement about protein is wrong? The incorrect statement is option C, proteins are synthesized by plant kingdom only. Next question, which of the following contains highest percentage of protein? The correct answer is option A, groundnut. Next question, the main structural feature of protein is. The correct answer is option C, the peptide linkage. Next question, proteins give. The correct answer is option D, all the above. Next question, which of the following is a proteolytic enzyme? The correct answer is option C, pepsin. Next question, keratin, a structural protein, is present in. The correct answer is option A, hair. Next question, blood protein is. The correct answer is C, both A and B. Next question, the destruction of the biological nature and activity of proteins by heat or chemical reagent is called. The correct answer is option B, denaturation. Next question, enzyme trypsin converts. The correct answer is option D, proteins into amino acids. Next question, kwashiorkor is caused by the deficiency of. The correct answer is option D, essential amino acids. Next question, which is a fat-soluble vitamin? We already know that the code for fat-soluble vitamins is KDA. So the correct answer here is option A, vitamin A. Next question, which vitamin contains nitrogen? The correct answer is option C, vitamin B. Next question, vitamin which is believed to cure common cold is. The correct answer is option B, vitamin C. Next question, a vitamin which plays a vital role in the coagulation property of blood is. The correct answer is option D, vitamin K. Next question, which is not a poison for enzymes? The correct answer is option B, Fe3 plus ion. Next question, the non-proteinous substance which certain enzymes require for their activity are called. The correct answer is option C, coenzymes. Next question, which one is the complementary base of adenine in one strand to that of the other strand of DNA? The complementary bases are AT and CG, adenine and thymine, cytosine and guanine. So the correct answer is option D, thymine. Next question, antibodies are. The correct answer is option B, proteins. Next question, which of the following statements about enzymes is incorrect? The incorrect statement is option A. The catalytic action of enzymes is not specific. Next question, redness of blood is due to the presence of. The correct answer is option A, iron in the heme pigment. Next question, an antigen develops antibodies which protect the body from their harmful effects. The antibodies are called. The correct answer is option A, immunoglobulins. Next question, which one is the test for proteins? The correct answer is option B, biuret test. Next question, insulin has 51 amino acids in 2 polypeptide chains which are linked by. The correct answer is option C, 2 disulfide bonds. Next question, the anti-sterility or anti-reproductory vitamin is. The correct answer is option D, vitamin E. It is also known as tocopherol. Next question. The hormone insulin is a secretion of the organ. The correct answer is option D, pancreas. Next question. The process of respiration in the absence of oxygen is called. The correct answer is option C, anaerobic. Next question. 1 mole of glucose on respiration produces. The correct answer is option D, 38 mole of ATP. Next question. Which of the following is a protein hormone? The correct answer is option C, both A and B, insulin and oxytocin. Next question. The function of DNA is. The correct answer is option D, all the above. Next question. One of the essential alpha amino acid is. The correct answer is option A, lysine. This is a list of essential and non-essential amino acids. There is a code to remember the non-essential amino acids, AG. Most of the non-essential amino acids starts with the letter A and G. Next question. Adenosine is an example of. The correct answer is option B, nucleoside. Next question. Which one of the following statements is correct? The correct statement is option B. All amino acids except glycine are optically active. Next question. Which of the following statements is not correct? The incorrect statement is option D. Denaturation makes the protein more active, which is incorrect. Next question. The central dogma of molecular genetics states that genetic information flows from. The correct answer is option C, DNA to RNA and then to proteins. Next question. In a protein molecule, various amino acids are linked together by. The correct answer is option B, peptide bond. Next question. Which of the following hormones is produced under the conditions of stress which stimulates glycogenolysis in the liver of human beings? The correct answer is option C, adrenaline. Next question. Deficiency of vitamin B1 causes the disease. The correct answer is option B, beriberi. The code is BB. Deficiency of vitamin B causes beriberi. Next question. Which one of the following does not exhibit the phenomenon of mutarotation? The correct answer is option A, sucrose. Next question. Which one of the following hormones contain iodine? The correct answer is option D, thyroxine. In this figure, we can see that thyroxine contains iodine. Next question. In DNA, the complementary bases are. The correct answer is option A, adenine and thymine, guanine and cytosine. Next question. Which one of the following vitamins is water soluble? The correct answer is option A, vitamin B. Next question. RNA and DNA are chiral molecules. Their chirality is due to. The correct answer is option D, dextro sugar component. Always remember that there is no substitute for hard work. So work hard. Thank you.